Hi guys! So manonood tayo ngayon ng Being Ice live. Hi! Outfit check!
Dito ba?
Oo. Ayan yung mga ano niya eh. Mga sponsor niya. Oo. Hi guys, so we're here at the comfort room. And si Kaya isang na-makeup pa. So, today is the second day of the Being Ice concert. Yan. So, sabi nung mga nag-a-assist, wala na daw karaoke session sa second day. So, seryoso na to. So, kailangan namin ni Kaya maghanap ng tissue. Ayan. So, hinihintay lang natin siya mag-makeup and then kain muna tayo. Exactly 8 p.m. The show will start. So, see you later.
Left side daw, baby.
Huh?
Hi guys. Nandito na tayo.
Sing-along videos and concert moments with ICE gamit ang official hashtag #BeingIceLive.
Yan ang pangalan na ibinigay sa akin ng aking mga magulang. Pero sa maraming Pilipino, kilala niyo ko bilang Aiza. At 3 years old, pinapanood niyo na ako. Artista, performer, provider. Pero sa likod ng lahat ng yun, I was just a kid. Ilan lang yan sa mga roles na ginampanan ko nun, sa mga telebisyon at mga pelikula. It wasn't always easy. Minsan maraming trabaho, pero minsan wala. But I never stopped. I kept going because of my passion and responsibilities. I'm celebrating 38 years in this industry, and this song has kept me in your hearts. A song that defined my career, gave me the chance to perform, to share my story, to be felt, and to be seen. Almost 25 years sa bawat gig at concert, this is the song I ended with. This song has become synonymous with my sound and identity as a singer. But as I start this new chapter as Ice, I want to begin with this song, not just to celebrate it, but to honor the journey it's taken me on and the journey you've shared with me all these years. There will be other songs that speak of my story and who I've become. Pero dito nagsimula ang lahat. With a song that gave me a voice, so the rest of me can finally sing.
Siguro di pa rin ngayon. Iyak ng puso ko'y mali, ibok ng puso mo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday sa akin. Salamat po. Ako po'y masayang-masaya na nandito po kayo ngayong gabi. Welcome to Being Ice, the Ice Sigera Experience. Sino po ba dito yung mga pumunta kahapon para sa video hits? Maraming salamat po sa mga nagpunta. Pansin niyo po, ibang-iba ang show na ito mula kahapon. Kasi kahapon naka-t-shirt lang ako. Formal ako ngayon. Pero mas gusto ko yung naka-t-shirt ako, guys. And siguro, I just wanna say a little something kung ano i-expect niyo sa show na to. Marami po sa inyo ang lumaki o tumanda na nakikita ko sa telebisyon, tama? Marami sa inyo ang nakakilala kay Aiza Sigera, tama? And siguro ngayon pa lang nais ko pong magpasalamat dahil mula noon hanggang ngayon ay sinamahan niyo po ako sa journey na ito. This show actually serves as my anniversary concert. I'm on my 38th year in the industry. So yes, matanda na po kayo. Kung inabutan niyo akong titus pa lang, wala. Ngayon talaga alam na natin na kailangan niyo na ng katingko para makalakad. But siguro, this show for me is very special because kilala niyo si Aiza, but gusto kong makilala niyo kung sino si Ice. I love you! Love you too. And magsimula tayo mula sa pagkabata. Simulan natin kung paano nagsimula ang lahat. Because I think gusto ko, for this night, pagkalabas ninyo, masasabi niyo, hindi nyo lang kilala si Ice Sigera na nakikita nyo sa television o pinapanood nyo sa gigs or naririnig nyo sa radyo. Hopefully, by the end of the night, you get to know who I really am. Especially, the person behind the persona. I'm searching for the world that I come from, 'cause I've been looking around and lost and found of my. People say I'm strange that way, 'cause I love such elementary things. It's been my fate to compensate. Fantastical stories to share, of dreams I would dare watch me fly. First hit song ko ay Pagdating ng Panahon. Tama? Pero sa totoo lang, bata pa lang po ay hindi naman po sa pagmamayabang ano. Pero may mga hit na din po ako. And gusto ko pong i-dedicate itong masasabi ko na very heartfelt song para po sa inyong lahat. And if you know the song, please sing with me. Pangit eh. As in, like, for lack of a better term, boses ibis. Pero, si mama ko, sabi niya sa akin nun, mag-aral kang kumanta. Kasi hindi ka forever cute. Totoo, di ba? Marami po mga child stars na, porque hindi na cute, medyo nawala na rin. And hindi ko naman alam kasi nalalaki po akong heartthrob, no? So, sabi ng mama ko, mag-aral kang kumanta. Hindi ako nagkakamali, nandito yung pinakauna kong voice teacher, si Ma'am Betsy Valenia. I think she's here. Sana ma'am, proud kayo sa akin. Yung hard work ninyo, kahit pa paano meron namang nabuo. And this song, I never thought that I'd be releasing something like this back when I was, I think, 11 years old or 12 years old. This song is called Another Rainy Day.
Just another rainy day. Can't go out to play. I'm staring at the window, wondering how to pass the time away.
Lumaki ako sa harap ninyong lahat. On TV shows.
Happy birthday!
In movies.
Pakuwala natin yung ibon at palili pa rin kita. Marunong ka?
In love teams I didn't choose. Bata pa lang, nasa harap na ako ng camera.
Bata lang. Huwag ka nang miyak. Para maging masaya ka, papakita kita sa'yo, Abu Chiki.
As a teenager, the questions got deeper, and the confusion got stronger. Bata pa lang alam ko na, I was different. And in the 90s, being different wasn't easy. I was afraid to show the real me, afraid of letting you down, of not living up to who you thought I should be. Lagi kong tanong, mamahalin niyo pa rin ba ako kung makita niyo ang totoo ako?
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know?
Kasi, pa ako nakakapag-come out nun. Mga magulang ko, nahuli nga ako ng tatay kong nagkasiping sa kama. Kaya nalaman niya. And ang initial reaction ko nun when they confronted me, I said I was gonna give it up. Because I never wanted to disappoint my parents. Pero ang hindi magkatanto sa utak ko nun, kung mali itong ginagawa ko, bakit? Eh, nagmamahal lang naman ako eh. Hindi naman ako nanloloko. Minamahal ko yung taong kasama ko. At that same time, nandun yung takot kasi alam ko that I'm working in an industry that someone like me, hindi welcome. It was taboo. May naamoy lang ng konti, nasa dyaryo ka na. And hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano ko siya lalampasan nun. Kasi hindi pwede mawala yung trabaho ko eh. Kasi sa akin, umaasa ang family ko. I was the breadwinner. My dad was working, but I was basically taking care of pretty much everything else. And it was hard because ito yung time na, hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo sa term na awkward stage. Ito yung, kagaya sinabi ko kanina, kapag hindi ka na-cute, wala kang career, nangyari yun sa akin. Yes, I still had Eat Bulaga. I still had Okay Kukay Rito, thank God. But other than that, wala akong mga pelikula. Sinubukan akong mag-love team, nakita niyo naman. Kahit ako hanggang ngayon, pinikilabutan. Hindi ko nga alam paano nagkaroon ng fancy love team na yun eh. Honestly, parang, oh, anong iniisip niyo guys? Diba? But yeah. So, but ito yung time then that I discovered singing. I thought I just enjoyed listening to music. But I found out na, hey, I'm really enjoying singing along. Pero walang gustong kumuha sa akin. I remember my mom, inilalako niya ako sa, hindi naman sa palengke, no? Inilalako niya ako sa iba't ibang mga songwriters. Pero tinatanggihan nila ako. And umabot sa point na naiinis na ako sa nanay ko. Kasi, ba't bang kulit mo, mama? Hindi nga ako nakikita ang singer eh. Alam mo yun? Bakit natin ipipilit? Push ng nanay ko. Hanggang sa sinali niya ako sa isang show band. At tumutugtog kami sa Aurora Boulevard. Yes, medyo malagkit na po yung mga lapag ng Aurora Boulevard na bar na yon. May konting panghina rin. Pero doon po ako nagsimulang tumugtog sa isang show band. At very inspirational songs po yung mga kinakanta namin doon. You know, because we wanna make sure that yung mga nanonood sa amin na uplift ang kanilang pakiramdam at pagmamahal para sa kapwa. So I want to hear these songs that I sang during that time. If you know the songs, please sing with me.
You make me do. My heart is ringing and I'm singing the song for you. I'm holding, 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 holding. Style when you, baby, you said a lie. If we ever see you move through the night, ain't gonna fly, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fly. Only one makes me fly. Come on, everybody. Sex bomb, you're a sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along.
All of you for coming tonight. So sobrang pagod po, tapusin na natin to. Hindi, joke lang. But I want to mention these people also. Being Ice Live is brought to you by Fire and Ice Entertainment. And of course, produced by Fire and Ice Live. Our venue partner, Newport Performing Arts Theater. Ticketing partner, Ticket World. Ang paborito ng lahat, ang aming platinum sponsor, Katingko. Sa The Course, di ba? Right? Ang puti ng kiligili ni Andrea Core, right? And sobrang happy ako nung bumalik sila dito, nanood kami, and ang saya ko lang that my very close friends in the industry are also big fans of The Course. And I want to sing this song with them. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Princess City and Juris. Hi! Hello! Hey, girl, gusto yung pink naman! So, sobrang, parang ngayon lang tayo
Happy birthday! Happy anniversary!
I love you guys.
Yes, happy birthday! Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us. And sobrang happy ako, guys, kasi itong mga to, hindi lang kami magkakaibigan sa labas, pero hanggang sa loob. Sa loob to. Hindi natin alam. Pero at least hanggang sa dulo, alam kung magkakasama tayo. Right?
Yes.
So game, kantahin na natin to.
Go on,
Congratulations.
Thank you, friend.
Second sold-out show. Kanina po, kinikwento ni Ai sa inyo lahat. It takes a village to make this show. Nahiya siya. He skipped one line. Nakalimutan niyan sabihin na siya ang director ng show na to.
Ang lahat. Siya talaga.
And producer.
Si Lisa yung producer, hindi ko na kaya yun. Kasi yung producer, maraming numbers. Mahina ako sa numbers.
Accounting major.
Yo. But guys, sobrang happy ako na makakanta natin ulit ito after a very long time.
Yes.
So, simulan na natin.
Okay. Sing along po. My gosh, we've been singing this since 2003.
Oh my gosh.
You sing.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Paligid ko. And I'm blessed because this next group of people, masasabi ko na mula sa pagsisimula ko bilang isang manganganta at hanggang ngayon, magkakasama pa rin po kami. I look up to them as mentors, as teachers. But show when she performed here in the Philippines. Let's do this, everybody. You to know that I'm happy for you. I wish nothing but the best for you both.
Dumating ang pagdating ng panahon, bumalik ang dating kasikatan.
The hit song, Pagdating ng Panahon.
Platinum records, concerts, at nagkaroon ng mas malaking audience.
Hindi mo pansin.
But success has another side. Mas bumigat ang responsibilidad at lumaki ang expectations. How long will this last? How long can I hold on to this dream if it means keeping a part of myself in the dark? Ito ang mga tanong na paulit-ulit sa isip ko. Mas malakas pa sa palakpakan ng mga tao.
Oh, great God, be small enough to hear me now. Rise and all the honor be to the God of ancient mysteries. Because I remember during that time, especially with everything na yun, sigawan ng mga tao, I really felt alone. Kasi napaso na ako before eh. Ika nga sa relasyon, iniwan ka na dati. So etong nandiyan na naman siya, hanggang kailan ka na naman dyan sa tabi ko. Pero ang hirap balansehin kasi alam kong yun yung inaasahan ng family. And because of that, more than seeing myself as an artist, I saw myself as someone who works. It just happens to be my job, itong pagkanta. I used to envy artists who write their own songs, nilalabas nila. And ako hindi ko magawa noon kasi feeling ko may pressure on me na dapat kapag gumawa ako ng kanta, kasing ganda ng pagdating ng panahon. Kundi, sino makikinig? Kaya nga nila, di ba? You're only good as your last hit. You're only good as your last whatever. I'm definitely not good enough. Or not good as that. So, imbis na magkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob, sumulat, I started to be, content singing other people's stories and other people's songs. Because I cannot fail. If I fail, anong pangkakain ko sa pamilya ko? Diba? Pero I think that's the thing with arts. That's the thing with expressing yourself. Lalabas at lalabas siya kahit anong pigil ang gawin mo. And siguro, masasabi ko na sinuwerte ako kasi kahit paano doon sa mga kantang na isulat ko, because I am collaborating with this amazing human being and a good friend. And lyrics written by the one and only Juris.
Hello. Good evening.
Nox, nag-change costume!
Para naman sulit, no?
Umayaport.
Siyempre, alam mo, Ice, para kay Ice, dapat ng pinaghahandaan. And since, we're celebrating you, I want to take this opportunity also, since nandito na rin ako, to say thank you for having me here. Just kidding. No, really, thank you for being who you are. No, and thank you for sharing your talent. What you can do. Hindi lang sa pagkanta. Lagi kong sinasabi to that you are really meant to be where you are now. Nilikha ka para gawin to. No, and you are an amazing person. No, and if you talk about being an artist, syempre naging from being an actor, tapos singer, dancer pa.
Yeah. Tapos,
Lumilevel
idol, matinee idol.
Matinee idol, ganyan. Not only that, producer, director, lahat na po ginagawa niya. And dun sa mga talents niya, ako ay pinagpala. And it never stopped na pakiramdam ko blessing na nakilala ko si Ice. Bilang kaibigan. At the right moment, at the right time, I met niya. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Dami ko ba? Dami ako.
I love you, Ice. And yeah, like Ice mentioned, parehas din tayo mayain. Hindi rin ako magaling magsusulat talaga. Ganon din yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya sila tayo nagkakaintindihan. Pero sobrang lang yung talento mo.
Kala mo lang ako. Parang timon.
Ang bata ka talaga.
Nais kong malaman, nagmamahal ko. Yan lang ang nag-iisang pangarap ko.
Nasaktan dahil sa pagmamahal.
Konti.
What I longed for was something else. Not the stage, not the spotlight, not the cheers. I longed for a love that could see me for who I really am. And when I finally found it, that's when I knew I was loved for me, with or without the fame.
Bawat hakbang, bawat lingon, bawat kurong mata, mukha mo nakikita. Mas marami sa inyo nakafollow kay Aiza Sigera. Ito pong bagong album na Being Ice, na kay Ice Sigera po siya. So sana po sa meron pong mga Spotify dito, sa mga YouTube Music, Apple Music, iTunes, lahat na nang pwede yung pakinggan. If you're following Aiza Sigera, I hope you also follow Ice Sigera. Because so you're here on all the music, the new music, din po kay Ice lalabas. Pangarap ko ng isa ka lang po siya. Ikasal. Pangarap ko magkaroon ng asawa. Pangarap ko magkaroon ng katuwang sa buhay. Sa mga nakakakilala dito sa akin, wala, bata pa lang ako. Tanong ko lagi nun, may asawa ka na ba? May asawa ka na ba? Lagi ko tinatanong yung mga tao nun. Siguro, bata pa lang ako, sobrang na-astonish na ako sa mga tao may mga asawa. Because how amazing is that? Diba? Na meron kang kasama habang buhay. Meron kang masasabi mong siya yung takbuhan mo at masasabi mo rin takbuhan ka niya. Pero dahil nga sa kung sino ako, I really thought hindi siya magiging posible para sa akin. Akala ko magiging at mananatiling pangarap na lamang yun na makahanap ako ng tao na tatanggap sa akin ng buong buo, magmamahal sa akin sa magaganda at especially sa mga pangit na mukha na meron ako. Hindi man recognized ng Pilipinas ang pagsasama namin. Alam ko sa puso ko, siya ang para sa akin. And I remember on our wedding day, pasiklab din tong isang to eh. Ang surprise niya sa aking regalo ay isang awitin. Nakasama rin po sa album na Being Ice na ida-download nyo na, i-stream nyo na sa Spotify and other music streaming platforms.
Yes.
And I'm just glad na ang sarap lang ng pakiramdam marinig mo itong mga salitang ito. Parang alam ng mommy at daddy ko noon na I'm finally home. I finally found the person I would be with. And I felt their happiness. At yung pagmamahal nila sa akin ay same ng binibigay nilang pagmamahal kay Liza at kay Amara. Kaya masaya ako sa pagmamahal nila. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. I had the best time of my life. But, as with anything, it will pass. Happiness will pass, sadness will pass. But, diba, sabi nga nila, the only permanent thing in life is change. And basically everything changed for me a few months ago. Yeah. My dad passed away 5 years ago. I think kung isipin mo, diba, parang weird sabihin na if there's one good thing about cancer, but at least we got to really make sure na okay, spend tayo ng time together, quality time. But that's totally different from my mama. I didn't know it was her last day. Kasi nakapang-ballroom pa siya eh. Alam mo yun, mag-ballroom pa siya ng gabi. May manipis na yung book niya. Tapos, naka-hairpin para kumulot, para may kakapitan ng mga whatever. We brought her to the hospital and that was it. That fast. And there will always be questions in your head. So I wanna sing this song that's part of Being Ice, the album. And kailangan ko i-break, guys, pasensya na. And this song was written by Lisa for her dad as well. Dito, ngayon wala ka na, nag-iisa, masasagot pa lang, hayaan na, may nakasabay, ngayon iniwan na. So, I need you guys to bear with me for the next songs because honestly, I really didn't want to do the show. But I wasn't raised that way. And I will do a disservice to my mama, to my daddy, if I don't sing, if I don't do what I need to do. So if I cry, cry with me. If I laugh, laugh with me. If I sing, sing with me. Especially if I can't sing, please sing for me. Yes?
Yes. Got you.
I think, hindi lang ako, that's when chosen family really matters. And I'm blessed. I feel so blessed because in my life, I have friends na mula katiting pa lang ako hanggang ngayon ay kaibigan ko pa rin na matalik. Nandyan sila. Mataas, mga tropa ko. Bumili sila ng ticket, pero wala sila masyadong budget. Kaya nandun sila sa taas. Pero mahal ko kayo. I love you guys. Yan ang support. I love you. Marami ring nagbigay ng pagmamahal sa akin. Pero siguro, this song is forever and will always be special because I'll be singing it with someone na sasabi kong, paano ang tatay ko na? But mula bata pa lang ako hanggang ngayon, andyan siya. Hindi man kami parating nakikita. Pero isang tawag lang sa kanilang mag-asawa, andyan sila. Napakaswerte ko. Sobra. Kaya, ito big. Dito tayo, Bobby.
Pare.
Pare.
Good evening po. Love you too, pero quiet muna tayo. Alam mo, may pagkatapat ako sa'yo, Ice. Muntik nang hindi pumunta. Kasi kanina tanghali po, yung mga nanood ay Bulaga, nasa Bataan po kami. Doon po kami nag-gate Bulaga. About 3 hours away. Traffic. Pauwi ako after the show. Chinek ko yung Instagram ko. Tingnan mo yung concert mo kagabi. Ayos naman daw. Day 1 hits like a home. Tapos nandiyan kayo. And let's do it over again. Para sa day 2 ng Being Ice Live, the concert experience. Ang ganda, sabi ko, wow. Tapos sumunod, tuloy ang kantahan with Tito Vico Soto. Baka sabi sabihin mo, invento ha.
Ito. Ayan. Tito Vico.
Sino ba inimbita mo? Si Tito Soto o si Vico Soto? Masyado ka ng political na.
Ikaw
Pero ganun pa man. Wala kasi si Vico, kaya ako na lang. May isa pa akong pagtatapat sa'yo.
ano yung bossing?
Parang atat ka ng tubog-tubog. Ka. Sa naman to. Walang lamok din, ano? Ang galing. May isa pa akong pagtatapat sa'yo. Maliit ka pa lang noon. Alam ko, maliit ka pa rin. Ibig sabihin, bata ka pa lang noon. Doon tayo una nagkasama, di ba? Bata ka pa lang noon, na-gender reveal ka na sa akin.
Paano?
Eh, lahat ng tanongin mo, sino crush mo? Puro babae. Pero aminin mo, pag nakikita mo ako, nababakla ka.
Oo. May iba kang aesthetic.
Kaya, kanta tayo.
Sige, simulan na natin.
Yung isa sa mga team song natin.
Sige, let's do this.
Ang title, It's Not How Long.
Yes. It's
Okay.
Matters most is that we love God. Matters most is that we love at all.
Love you guys. Love you. Ikaw na ang forever ko. Sa marating ni Pauline.
I love you, boss.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have a very good show. You have a very good band. You have a very good audience. Siyempre. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love you.
the one and
Love
only
you guys.
Tito Vico Vic Soto.
Yo, ginamit mo.
Love you, boss.
Shattered dreams, broken soul, unspoken fears and clouds and doubt. Thoughts in my head, still wondering where far from is all I've been losing sleep.
So, 10 years po hindi naglabas ng album. The last album I think I did was, which one ang title? Ayun, Araw Gabi. Mga awit ni Maestro Raya. And I was very excited, no? Kasi after namin, nabuo yung album na to, of course, along with my co-producer here, Jonathan Manalo, Mike Villegas, and Ziza Dino. I was very excited kasi mapaparinig ko kay Mama yung mga kanta. I remember, kapunta kaming gig nun. Wala pang final mix ng mga bagay-bagay. At dahil traffic, sabi ko kay Mama kung gusto niyang marinig yung mga songs na kasama doon sa album. And she said yes. You see, sa bawat gig, ano si Mama? Kaya ako nasabi na hirap akong gawin itong show na to. Kasi ito yung una kong big show na wala siya sa front row. Buti na lang may pictures. Kaya dyan sila, nagkasama sila ni Aro. She would always request this song. May mga times nga na hindi ko pa siya pagbibigyan eh. And I remember, during her wake, I didn't want to sing. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko kaya, kumanta. But nung last day niya, bago siya i-cremate, sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang ang damot ko naman, di ba? Pag hindi ko gagawin yan para sa nanay ko. Bueno, kung maiyak ko, ano namang masama umiyak, di ba? If you need to cry, cry. Of course, I'm grieving. But that will not stop me from singing for my mom. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. Finest years I ever knew, and I gave everything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. When this album came out, si Aeropats ko palagi nawawala na. And I remember writing the song a few days, well, not song yet, it was a poem. It was a Facebook post I wrote. You see, my dad and I, mas close kami kasi ni Mommy growing up. Si Daddy siya yung natrabaho nun. And we had some, siguro sabi natin, issues kami na hindi na pag-uusapan. Siguro dahil minsan sinasabi natin na ang pagmamahal meron tayong standards, di ba? And siguro kasalanan ko, dahil sa standards na pinataw ko sa kanya, I failed to appreciate the silent support that he was giving me through the years, the love. I'm just glad, honestly, that a few years before he passed away, nagbago yung relationship namin totally. He would text me every day, "Kamusta ka? Kumain ka na ba? I love you." So, kahit nagkaayos kami ng sobra na, may mga regrets pa rin sa akin on my end kasi parang sana hindi ko pinalampas yung mga moments na yun. And this song, nabuo namin to along with my very good friend and co-producer, Jonathan Manalo. This song is called Nandyan Ka. Oh, nandyan ka lang pala, di ko man lang nakita. Simpleng ngiti at tapal sa tuwing ako'y nalulumbay. Alam mo yun, hello mama, ba't di ka nagpaparamdam sa akin? And I was at a good friend's place. I went out sa balcony. I was just sitting there and looking at the horizon. Eh, medyo mataas yung building, diba? So, may mga narinig ako, alam mo, may mga narinig ang music sa baba. She talks to me through music. Because yun yung talaga, ever since pinagbaband namin, music. It was badly sung, ha? Yung karaoke na yun. Kasi nawawala sa tono si tatay. Mukhang lasing na ng mga bandang 2:00 ng hapon. But it's the message na narinig ko. And hindi ko malilimutan yun. Isang paalala na kahit ano pa man, and this is not just with my mama and my dad, but I think with all of us who have lost people, we miss them. And it's hard. But grief is the price of love. It means we've loved so much. And it's okay if we still feel raw about it. Sit with it. Let it flow. We can't, hindi natin mababypass to. Pagdaanan natin. Because our loved ones deserve this. And no matter what happens, they will always be there. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. And I will be when the laughter turns to cry, through the winning, losing, and trying, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up, just need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm better, and I'll never face retreat. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. It's deep inside their armor.
Ang iyong bakas at ako sabay ka. Maintindihan kung wala ka na maaalala. Kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi naman ang araw, uuwi ka sa yakap ko. Walang damdamin, iwan puso ko sa'yo. Hindi kita pababayaan.
Happy birthday, no?
Happy birthday!
These are my...
Of yourselves.
Ayan yun na. Surprise, di ba? Magbigyan na. Guys,
Surprise din kami.
I want you all to meet my brother. Just one thing. He's the very silent one. but very strong love and support ang binibigay niya sa amin lahat. So, I want you all to meet him. And these are my friends. Friends from the industry, friends from life. He's my ex-boyfriend. My first and last ex-boyfriend. And I really want to thank you for being here. Thank you for being my strength, especially during the very, very hard times. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sobra. Please stay. Kain tayo after because I'm starving. Thank you.
I love you.
I love
Ako
you.
din. I love you, Ice.
I love you. Nagulat ako dyan. Wala ito na. Kakain ka na. Palakpakan po natin ang mga tao mahal na mahal ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So,
Ay, ngayon pa lang sila kumukuha ng cutting to. By the way guys, libre yung cutting to. It's a wrap! Lalab, look. Going home. Escalator.